How to raise your self-esteem. There are many women who think that if they manage to improve a situation in their life, everything else will be fine and at last they will be happy. But happiness does not work that way. Only when you can improve and learn to love yourself more and better, will your life improve. Your exterior is just the reflection of your interior. Therefore, the first thing you need to achieve is to improve your relationship with yourself. Tips to raise, improve and raise your self-esteem. To do this, we want to share with you these 10+1 keys raise your self-esteem, 10 keys to raise self-esteem. 1. Believe in yourself. You need to believe in yourself and your unique and innate abilities. You are a great woman, beautiful both inside and out. Do not let anything or anyone make you believe otherwise. Declare every day, I believe in myself, and if you find difficult to pronounce that statement, try this, I am in the process of believing in myself. The most important thing is that little by little, you increase your confidence in yourself. 2. Do not compare yourself with anyone. Comparing yourself with other women is something crazy, since we are all different physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. Instead of comparing yourself with other women, I encourage you to improve yourself day by day. 3. Live in emotional coherence. This means that what you say is what you think, and what you think is what you say, therefore, there is no internal contradiction in yourself. When you achieve it, your life is going to make a radical change. 4. Be aware that life is a mirror. So it is. If you are well inside, you will see the world well. 5. Elevate your emotional state. Become aware of your emotions, find out why you feel what you feel. 6. Do things that you really like. Make a list of at least 10 things that you like to do. Make sure you do at least one of the things you have written on your list each day. 7. Put yourself always in the first place. You are the most important thing in your life and it always has to be that way, that I am wrong for the other person to be right does not work anymore. 8. You are not your mother. You are a unique and special woman, and the story that your mother lived does not have to be your story. Cut the umbilical cord now, connect with your innocence and give yourself permission to live the life you really want. 9. Throw away the old to let in the new. This key is applicable to all areas of your life, home, relationships, emotions. 10. Be yourself with all the consequences. If you apply the previous keys, this step will be done naturally. Only when you achieve to live true to yourself and what you feel in each moment, you will be able to enjoy good self-esteem and excellent quality of life. +1 key. There is one last key, and it is the following: act. If you only see this entry, and you do not do anything, you can hardly see changes in your life. However, if you apply these keys to your life, I assure you that when you least expect it, you will have achieved it. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.